All right. Assalamualaikum and good evening. As promised, I will provide you with some clues on how to solve the question on molality. But sad to say, part of my house is out of electricity, so I hope you can bear with me. I'm using the stars to cover up the blackness, of my house. Okay, now, okay, let's have a look at the question. We have or given the density of 10.5 molal NaOH solution is 1.33 gram per mil at 20 degrees Celsius. Right now, let's understand what we have first. We have a solution. Okay, say that this is the solution and the components are, we have NaOH as the solute, and normally for mineral acid and mineral base, the solvent is H2O. Now, there are two components in the solution, and given the molality, italic M is 10.5 molal. Okay, whatever it is, you have to be clear on what you have. What is the formula for molality? The molality is, or molality is defined as the number of mole of solute over mole, over the mass of solvent. The mass of solvent is in kilogram. Now, what is our solute just now? The solute is NaOH. And what's the solvent? The solvent is H2O. The unit of NaOH must be mole, and for H2O, the unit must be kilogram. Now, if we have 10.5, okay, a number, just a number, I'm referring to the number. If we assume that the number below is 1, that means it is the same as 10.5, right? Okay, so that is what we are going to do. We are assuming, assume that the mass of solvent equals to 1 kilo. Yeah, the solvent is H2O. Now, let's try to solve question A. The question wants mole fraction. Mole fraction, the symbol is capital X. Okay, say that we want to calculate the mole fraction of NaOH. The formula is the number of mole of the component NaOH over N total. Okay, total in this case, as you can see, there are only two components, NaOH and H2O. So N NaOH over total, that means NaOH plus NH2O. Now, do we know NaOH? Yes, it is 10.5. So we know this and we know this. Do we know NH2O? No, we don't know. But what do we know about H2O? We know that H2O is 1 kilogram. Can we calculate the number of mole? Yes, huh? It's just mass of H2O over molar mass. Alright, I think you can try and proceed. If not, we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah. What is the density for? The density can be used to calculate molarity. Okay, I hope you are clear of the information and proceed with your work. Whatever it is, if you have any more problem, we can discuss tomorrow. Right. Thank you and have a good night.